Right outer join or right join retrieves all the rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. If there is no match in the left table, the result will include null. The practical use case of right join is to find data inconsistencies. For example, we have two tables, customers and orders, and they have a one-to-many relationship between them. That means each customer can place many orders, and each order is associated with only one customer. But in the practical world, sometimes the customer information for an order might be missing, or it is partly missing. In such cases, if we want to get all the orders where the customer information is missing, we could use right join. Let me demonstrate it to you. Here I am creating two duplicate tables, customers and orders, and naming it as customers duplicate and orders duplicate. I'll be using the duplicate tables because I'll be deleting some data from customers and I don't want to mess with the original tables. Now you could see both the tables are created. Let's look at the first 5 rows of customers table. Okay, the customer ID starts with 1001. Now I'll be deleting the customer 1002 from the customer's duplicate table. Once I did that, I'm writing the SQL query to right join the customer's duplicate table with orders duplicate table on customer ID column. And I want to get the orders where the customer's information is missing. That's why I gave the filter where customer ID is null. Now if I run this, I got all the details of the orders where the customer information is missing. Remember, we deleted the customer records of customer ID 1002 from the customer's duplicate table. That's why we are seeing null values of customer's name in the result. So that's how we could use right join to get missing data from the left table. Thank you for watching.